Hello everybody, this is Dan from Maclin Ford, and in this video I'm showing this 2021 Ford Ranger. It's in the XLT trim. It's got the FX4 package, and a trailer tow package, spring and bed liner. And taking a look at the back seat here, we do have the power window controls here for the back window, and we also have the power lock controls, and which takes me to a cloth bench seat that will fit 3 people, or you can pull down the center console for a couple of cup holders. And you got some seat back storage there, as well as 2 USB ports and a 110 volt outlet. Moving up to the driver's door, we do have the power window controls here with the one push down for the front windows, as well as the power locks. And moving just on to the inside, you do have your automatic headlights, which do include fog lights. And which takes me to the driver's seat, which is powered. Taking a look at the steering wheel here, on the right hand side you do have your steering wheel mounted audio controls, as well as your phone controls, your sync voice activated system, and your home button there for your display screen. On the left side you have your cruise control, as well as the buttons for your dashboard menu. So taking a look at your dash, we see that this Ranger has 18,674 kilometers on it. And your menu, you can cycle through the trips, the fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, as well as vehicle settings. Which takes me to the all-important center display screen. So your radio here will accept sources from AM, FM, Sirius, and Bluetooth. And you can play with your climate system to make it as comfortable as you possibly want within the cabin. And that's where you would add a new phone. You can adjust your vehicle apps, as well as your vehicle settings, which do include 911 Assist, Ford Pass Connect, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, as well as valet mode. This is also where you see the feed from your backup camera. Okay, so moving down from there, you do have your physical controls for both your radio and your climate system, which do include heated front seats. And then you got a couple of 12 volt outlets there. And then right in the back there, you got a couple of USB ports. You do have several buttons over here, including your anti-skid off button, your auto start stop off button, your anti-skid off button, as well as your trailer tow. And you got your 4x4 system there, and your gear selection, which does have select shift. And moving further back, you do have a couple of cup holders. Thanks for watching. For more information on this Ranger, give us a call, 587-871-8293, MaclinFord.com, or come on down in person, 135 Glendeer Circle Southeast. The stock number for this Ranger is 21P2533.